Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Diffusion Models Demystified, Creating Images from Noise. Ever wondered how AI conjures up amazing pictures out of thin air? Today, we're demystifying diffusion models, the secret sauce behind AI art. Think of it as teaching a computer to paint masterpieces. Not by copying, but by truly creating. As developers, understanding this gives you a new superpower. Imagine you have a beautiful photo, and you gradually add more and more random static, noise, until it's just a blurry, unrecognizable mess. Diffusion models work in reverse. Their goal is to start with pure noise and, step by step, remove just the right amount of static to reveal a clear, brand new image. It's like having a digital sculptor who starts with a blob of clay and slowly carves out details. Before an AI can create by removing noise, we first have to teach it what noise looks like. We do this with a forward process. We take a pristine image and slowly, systematically add tiny bits of random noise to it over many steps. Each step makes the image a little bit noisier. We record exactly what noise was added at each step. This creates a sequence from clear image to pure static. Now for the AI's job. We give it a slightly noisy image and challenge it to predict exactly the noise that was added to. Make it that noisy. If it can predict the noise, it can then subtract it to get a slightly cleaner image. This noise removal step is the core of how it builds an image. It's like playing a game where you're shown a blurred photo and asked to guess the exact blur. Filter applied, then remove it. How does the AI make these predictions? It uses a neural network, which you can think of as a highly sophisticated pattern matching function. We feed it a noisy image and tell it which time step, how much noise was added. It's currently at. Its output is not the clean image itself, but its best guess of just the noise that needs to be subtracted to move one step closer to clarity. It's a specialized noise estimator. To train our noise-guessing neural network, we show it millions of examples. For each example, we take a clear image, add noise for X steps, and get a noisy version. We then show the AI this noisy version and tell it exactly what noise we added to get to this specific step. The AI learns to minimize the difference between its predicted noise and the actual noise we added. It's like giving it noisy image plus answer key until it masters the noise prediction task. Once our AI is trained, generating a new image is simple yet magical. We start with a canvas of pure random noise, like TV static. We feed this noise to our trained AI, telling it we're at the most noisy step. The AI predicts and subtracts some noise. We then feed that slightly cleaner image back into the AI, telling it we're at the next cleanest step. We repeat this hundreds of times, and with each step, the image gradually sharpens and details emerge, eventually forming a completely new, unique picture. Understanding diffusion models opens doors. As a developer, you can now build applications that generate unique artwork, create realistic product mockups, augment datasets for other AI tasks, or even restore old photos. This isn't just theory, it's a powerful tool you can integrate into your projects. Think of the APIs, web apps, or creative tools you could build by harnessing this image creation capability. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.